Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, we are playing Pokemon Brick Bronze with my friend, Ian. Ian, you gonna say hi? Uh, yeah, I'm mute. Okay then, I guess you'll never hear his voice ever again. He is forever silent, I guess. And, by the way, I got a Mew named Beast, Mudbray named Ground, Shiny Nidorina named Girl, Cutiefly named Cute, and Pidgey named Bird. And see, I will show you that I cannot do this. See? Can't even do this one. There was a shiny Latios in there. I think that's a shiny Latios at least. I think Ian's talking to Jared. Ian, you can actually unmute your mic, dude. You don't have to do it. Yay! Okay, he went mute again. Okay. You were talking to your brother? Okay. Why do you have to mute your mic? Ah. I forgot to beat Misty. Yeah, forgot to beat her. So, yeah. Do 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 do. Na 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 na. Oh, hi. Hi there. Na 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 na. Yeah, you can't really do much. You are very right, though. Very right. Very, very, very. Oh my gosh. You scared me. What? She has a teal Goldeen. So, yeah. Did you say who are you? I'm in the place where Misty is. Like the gym leader Misty. Yeah. Yeah, I passed you on Mount Moon. Alright, Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt my way through this gym. I'm out of here. Alright, Beast is level 17. That's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. Bird grew to level 17. Bird is trying to learn Twister. Should he learn Twister, dude? Alright, I'm gonna get rid of Tackle because Twister is pretty good. Bet you that. How? When does Pidgey evolve? Because like he's at level 17 now and he's not evolved yet. Yeah. Lol. Just say lol after every sentence. That's your catchphrase. Say lol after every sentence. Literally everyone will not hate you. Oh, I accidentally used Psychic. Gosh dang it. Gosh diddly darn it. What? What did you just say? Who? Is it a Mew? Is it an Entei? What is it? Tell me now. I am not dead. You cannot kill. It's already dead. Swift. I'm dead. I'm not killed. It's already dead. I'm dead. What were you trying to catch? What? Raku. Nice. I don't know. Double team. Not even an attacking move. Double kick. Like that. What? Is it what? Come on. No! How? I want to beat Misty. I don't want to use all my Pokemon. Dazzling Gleam. Yeah! Woo! Cute is level 15. Tank has gained some experience too. He's level 21. Evaporated. Nice. Cascade Badge. Badge. Dude, we're in a vid right now. No. I will not restart this. No. With what? My gosh, Ian. When you don't know what to do, use flamethrower. Or actually psychic. When you don't know what to do, use flamethrower. That much experience. Round gained that much experience. Third gained that much experience. Much. Lower there. Nice speed. That does not very much. Supersonic. I'm confused. Psychic. Psychic. High level quality commentary. So, I'm really not sure what I really want to do with much of my. No. No! Well, yeah, well, I have close combat. I don't need to. Alright, youngster Rex boss battle. Oh, finally! Bird is evolving. Yes! Finally, dude. Pidgeotto. Yeah. Alright, let's battle you. Third leader. Ah, interesting. What? Oh, okay. You're a dog. Woohoo? Okay. Okay. You're a dog. Oh, okay. Okay. I was fully paralyzed. Gosh. My dude. My dude. Just like my actual team in Let's Go Pikachu. Wow. Missed. Yeah. A little noob. 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 Yeah, girl. It's 20. Interesting. 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 Bird is a level. No. I wanna change my Pokemon. Yeah. That's a Magnemite. Yep, 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 yep. Yep. Hey Ian, you gonna talk? What? Did you just say oh? Na, 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 na. Wait, what am I doing? I should use Mud Spray. Can I get this out? No, I cannot. Bird is dead. What am I doing? I should use Mud Spray. Okay, now I can just use Mud Slap. Great, I'm confused. And that won it.